were looking at BabylonJS and how to integrate that to create 3D scenes, and also how to use the Adobe streaming service. And I primarily came to understand a little bit more about BabylonJS, and it was super easy. Learned about how we could have the Babylon GUI and just write the code and then just like download it and just hit one button and boom, you got the whole scene created. You can import that into your HTML file. That was pretty cool. I learned that. And also the streaming service was pretty straightforward to just set up in Dolby, create an account pretty quickly and get the streaming running. And overall the presentation was really great. Just clone down the repo and hit run.
So I have like a little background working with VR, and so when I saw the Metaverse as the workshop title, I was like, "Ooh, what's this?" And I think I talked to the Dolby people at their booth pre-workshop and found out that it was like a very low latency streaming solution, which is something I've had some experience working with on a platform and knowing what kind of problems latency has when you're trying to get groups of people together all around the world, especially for singing along or playing music together. It's pretty much, we were never able to do it. We did the little karaoke dots where everybody sang, and we did a lot of tests with timing, and it just never synced. So I was really excited when I heard about it. And I can't wait to kind of take it back to these people and see, like, what do you think of this? Is it any better? Can we do anything? Even if it's not perfect, it's probably better than what we currently have.
Getting to actually render spheres in different shapes, just reading the documentation, that was like following the links, playing around with new shapes and camera angles and stuff. Getting to code that in JavaScript is something I've never been able to do before. And since I'm much more familiar with JavaScript than any of the C# that most, from what I've found, most other 3D rendering softwares use, it was a lot more comfortable and much more straightforward, and it just made a lot more sense overall.
So I was like super excited, and yeah, I'm so happy. When I came here first day, it was so much learning, and then it gave me a bunch of like learning opportunities, and I started doing a roadmap on projects that I want to do, which is super cool. And meeting all these people and like knowing that you're not alone in this journey. Like a lot of people, especially like me, who are coming from minorities, and at the same time like trying to really want to be the best on what they do and like really passionate about it, but they don't know where to start. There's just a bunch of information, it's overwhelming, and like knowing that there are like people like this who kind of give an inspiration to people like us to just everything's okay, like you just need to meet other peoples, and if you struggle, it's fine. Like if you make mistakes, it's fine. Like it's part of the growth, and that's what I like.